Anyway, get to the point. I bought a DJI Osmo Pocket, so that's a box. There it is, little tiny thing on a gimbal. So I also have been spending big money. I also bought a 3D printed holder. It was £5 off a guy on eBay. Let's just turn that off so it goes in there like that. He also sells a GoPro attachment. It holds the Osmo Pocket on a GoPro. As you can see, it'll fit any GoPro attachment. But I've been looking for the Osmo Pocket expansion kit. Now there's people selling them on Amazon and eBay, but don't have a very good score or feedback, so didn't want to go with them. So I opted for an email notification off DJI, and when it come in stock, they notified me, and I bought one. It took 5 days to come from China, Shenzhen. So that's it. It's going to be an unboxing video. I'm not showing it being tested. I'm just showing what's in the box and what you get. Okay, let's do it. So here's the front of the box. Side, just a logo. Info on the back. Just barcodes, stuff like that. Right, it's got a little seal here. Let's get that off. Okay, that's the seal open. So open it here. You've got the little wheel controller. You can see there. You've got the holder. Looks like a GoPro holder attachment, or it'll fit that sort of attachment. You've got the wireless module there. Goes in the bottom by the look of it. You've got a little pack there. Is there anything behind that? No, and that's it. That's the empty box. So you've got the holder, the wheel, and the wireless module. You've also got this pack. Let's open this and see what's in it. Controller wheel manual, wireless module manual, accessory mount manual, and I wondered where that was. The Samsung Evo Plus 32GB card. So you get that as well. So that's what you get, and that's what's in the box.